Oh, what's happening at this time
Yeah.
in springtime 2024? There is a tempest in a teapot. That's what's happening right now. And when I was there a month ago, I was talking about the positive use of the energies of the conjunction of Jupiter and Uranus. And we had, I think, a pretty nice little workshop there, exactly on the day of the conjunction, which was April 20th. And with positive thoughts, positive affirmations that one can give oneself as well as to give to other people, and to use the high-mindedness of Jupiter, number one, of philosophy, universities, greater perspectives, a greater divine sense of justice on one side, and then it's aligned with planet Uranus, which is about definition, choosing sides, coming up with either this or that, because that is what Uranus wishes. Is it hot? Is it cold? Are we in? Are we out? It wants definition. And oftentimes it would move or want to aid the underdog. So those are just the energies, the dynamics in general. And those two planets, this whole springtime, March, April, May, side by side, and one can look around internationally in the news and you can see, protests and people, in the country called Georgia, they're standing up against Russian influence, and of course the universities in the United States as well as abroad. It's all happening, but it may also be happening in individual groups and groupings, such as in a temple or in a church, in a small group, in a committee, in an association. Those two energies are still there, spreading equally out, and it depends on the dynamics, it depends on the personalities and whose buttons are pushed. And then if it's more of a sense of righteousness or, oh, that shouldn't have been done, or that was wrong, or we have to defend the little guy, or whatever, if it turns really into a larger sense of, I will right the wrongs. And remember now, I was just talking about Solomon, where he says, let's find that balance, not too much, not too little. Remember that there's a lot of vanity going on, and vanity is like things are fleeting, they change, and we can have some important perspectives, and it's really good to stand up for one's beliefs, but recognize that this too shall pass. And so here's yet another quote here to conclude with this. This is from Ecclesiastes 9. Again, I saw that under the sun, the race is not to the swift, nor the battle to the strong, nor bread to the wise, nor riches to the intelligent, nor favor to the skillful, but time and chance happen to them all. For no one can anticipate the time of disaster. Like fish taken in a cruel net, and like birds caught in a snare, so mortals are snared at a time of calamity when it suddenly falls upon them.
Thank you, Stephen.
Okay, good. Blessings. Thank you all.
Daring to bring wisdom on the King of Wisdom. Quite the audacious task, but well done. Thank you.
Good. My pleasure.